Hi everyone, it's Artist from Carpentry and Construction Limited. Before you obviously do your fairing bits or any kind of cuts on your table saw, I would like to show you how safely you can use it when making cuts like that, because obviously if you can't use the guide, and even then if you can use the guide, I would advise you to obviously keep your fingers away from blade and have protective PPE on. Well, at least have your ear defenders, goggles if need to be. I got this guard so it doesn't throw dust up, so keep them on where possible. So have a hoover on as well, because you know the dust, if it gets in your eyes, you obviously won't be able to carry on. So here we got not a too big wedge shape. It's 65 to 68 millimeters wedge shape, so which we're going to cut now, and yeah, I'll just share it with you how I cut it, and hopefully you won't have any trouble with using the table saw safely. So yeah, let's crack on. So once you get to your middle of the cut, or last say, safe 700-800 mil distance, so you can safely hold it, stop your saw, spin your piece around, and once you've done that, obviously mind your fingers and cut the rest of it out. So obviously you can, if you're experienced, you can push through with the saw with the help of this stick. You can sort of use that when you got little pieces, but I mean, where possible, if you've got bigger pieces, I would suggest keep your fingers away from the blade and just spin part around you're cutting or piece you're cutting, and that way you're going to save yourself from unnecessary injuries. So, and this is how safely to use a table saw for cutting your fairing bits, and in general safely using the table saw as such when you push through, because you don't want to get caught in that. That will do some damage. So I hope you find it useful, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.